Have you ever walked past a power transformer and heard that low, constant humming sound? Truth is, it is not loud, but it is always there, almost like a transformer is alive. But here's the real question. Why do transformers hum? Is it electricity, vibration, or something else entirely? Welcome to Jekwe Explains. Engineering explained simply. Let's break it down. At first, you might think the sound comes from current flowing through wires. After all, electricity is moving, right? But here's the surprising part. Even when a transformer isn't heavily loaded, it still hums. So clearly, something deeper is going on inside. Inside every transformer, there are two main components, coils and a metal core. When alternating current, which you know as AC, flows through the coils, it creates a constantly changing magnetic field. This magnetic field passes through the core. Now, here's where things get interesting. The core of the transformer is typically made of iron. And iron has a unique property. When exposed to a magnetic field, it slightly changes its shape. This effect is what we call magnetostriction. Basically, as the magnetic field changes and decreases, the core expands and contracts again and again very rapidly. And since AC power typically operates at 50 Hz in many countries, this expansion and contraction happens 50 times per second. But wait, it doesn't stop there. Because magnetic effect depends on the square of the current. The vibration actually happens at twice the frequency, which is around 100 Hz. That's rapid vibration. That's what produces the humming sound you hear. So, in simple terms, a transformer hums because its core is physically vibrating due to the changing magnetic fields. And that vibration travels through the air as sound. That's why large power transformers, like the ones you see on poles or in substations, have a deeper, more noticeable hum. In fact, engineers even design transformers to reduce this noise, using laminated cores and tight construction to limit vibration. But no matter how it is well designed, a little hum is almost impossible to eliminate completely. So the next time you hear that quiet humming sound, you will know it is not just random noise. It is physics in action. Magnetic fields, materials, and vibrations all working together to deliver electricity to your home. If you found this interesting, stay tuned because I'll be breaking down more everyday engineering concepts in simple ways. See you in the next video.